Hello everyone, this is Rashwin, the Asian mechanic guy, and today we got this 2010 for the F150. And problem of this car, when you start it, there's a whining sounds. So I'm gonna let you guys hear the whining sounds, and let's try to diagnose, and hopefully we could fix the problem today. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, let's start the car and let's hear the whining sound. Maybe I should open the window so we could hear it from the outside. And this is my microphone. So it's close to here. I don't hear anything. Is there's just a little. That's weird. Oh, one sec, you hear that? Oh, okay. Did you hear it? Every time I move the steering wheel. I think we found the problem. It might be just low on power steering fluid. Yeah, because the customer just told me he only hear it on, in the morning. But he didn't told me when it happened, he will hear it when he moved the power steering. You hear that? Maybe I should go outside. Okay, I'll point the microphone here. See that? Maybe I should open the hood. So I'm gonna move the power steering. Yeah guys, it's definitely the power steering pump. Oh, it's just that it's low on fluid. Let's go check the reservoir. And you see that it's low on fluid. Yeah, it's very low on fluid. See this? Yeah, it's very low. See that? As soon as I open this, you can hear it. There's a whining sound. Yeah, it's definitely low on fluid. One more time guys, I'm gonna move the power steering. Steering wheel. Yeah, that's it guys. It's just low on fluid. Let's put some power steering fluid, and let's see the difference. So guys, we are putting, actually we are using a transmission fluid Mercon V. So this is the recommended for the power steering fluid for this Ford. I'm using Motomaster transmission fluid, Mercon V. Let's put it until maximum, more than maximum. That's it. So guys, let's try to start the car and let's see the result. Go, I'll grab my camera. Alright guys, moment of truth. Let's see if still had the whining sounds. Okay, I'll open the window. I'm going to point my microphone in here. See that guys? No more whining sound. See that? Let's go outside. Let me set up my camera. Maybe I'll put it here. One sec. Now I'm going to see. There's no more whining sounds. Let's open the servo. See that? See the difference? That's an easy fix. One more time. I'm going to point the microphone outside. Wow, so quiet now. Alright guys, I think that's it. That's how you diagnose and fix a whining sounds for 2010 Ford F150. So if you have any question, any suggestion guys, please comment below and consider like and subscribe my channel. So that's all for today, and I hope you enjoy the video. So see you next time. Bye bye.